We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to all of our customers' needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.